How to fix no sound on iPhone. The first way you can do that is by turning off the side button on your iPhone. As you click the buttons, it will show you automatically if your phone is in silent mode or in the ringer mode. Secondly, just drag your screen from the top left to the midsection and you can see here there is a volume button and you can pull that all the way up. Even after this, if your phone does not resolve the issue, we are going to have to make sure that your device is not paired up in a Bluetooth device. Simply pull down the wicket and make sure that the Bluetooth option has been turned off. Now our last resort to solve this issue is to shut down your iPhone and restart it. Simply open the Settings app and scroll all the way down until you find the General section, tap on it, then scroll all the way down until you see the Shut Down button. As you can see, it is right here. After it is shut down, you can turn it back right on. And that's it. This is how you can fix no sound on iPhone. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.